Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation for the YouTube algorithm so that they can also enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So today is just another day in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online. But before we can get ahead on today's video, I want to give you guys an update on the challenge of growing $10 to $1,000 trading Forex live. So unfortunately, there won't be any part 4 or part 5, sorry. There won't be any part 5 going forward because I have unfortunately blew the account. I do not have any money left in my account at the moment. It's back to 0-0. And like I said in my previous video that I'm working on something. I'm working on another challenge that I will keep you guys posted on. So I'll just give you a proof, or I'll just give you a video on my phone screen showing you the history of the account and the balance where it's at. Remember what I said in previous videos, that the challenge wasn't over until it's on $0 or on $1,000. So it's unfortunate that the challenge ended with my balance on $0. So it is what it is. Losses in trading are inevitable. So we just gotta accept and move on, and we just gotta stand up and dust ourselves and try again, because it's a game of chances. So we are hopeful, and consistency is everything. So I'm just gonna keep you guys posted about the challenge that I'm currently working on. So enough about that. Like I said, I will show you proof of where it's currently at and everything that transpired. So into this video, what I wanted us to look at, I want to firstly give you guys an update on GBP USD that we looked at in the previous video. So if you haven't checked the previous video, you can do so just right now so that this video can make sense to you as to why I took that trade. No, rather as to why I analyzed that GBP USD trade. And what I will also show you guys is gold. So I'm gonna look at gold, and I will show you how I analyze it and how you could have made money on it as well, following a price action from 4-hour time frame and going down to 15-minute time frame, waiting for a change of character to happen, then taking your trade and running with it. So without any further ado, guys, let's get right into the video and let's break down each and every single thing. And remember, I will show you history of the account of $10 to $1,000 for pure transparency. So without any further ado, like I said, let's get right into the video. Peace. Okay, so this is gold. So we are currently on 4-hour time frame. So I want to show you guys how you could have made money easily using the 4-hour time frame going down to 15 minutes time frame. So this is gold, like I said, on 4 hours time frame. And we can very clearly see that this is on a downtrend, but we do not know where exactly can we take a trade if we want to hop in. So we're just gonna simply play price forward and let's see what is happening. So let me just note down the highs and the lows. So I'm just gonna begin on this low. This is a low, this is a lower high, and this is a lower low. I would say this is a break of structure, or rather change of character, and this is a high, and then now this is a low, lower high, and we are expecting a lower low here to happen. So we're waiting to see if this level here will be broken to the downside or not. Let me just remove this and let me denote this level. So we're waiting to see if price will break this level to the downside or not. So if it does, then it means that we are now going to look out for sells. Like I said, right now we do not know exactly where should we take our trade. So let's play price forward and see where can we take our trade from if we are to take this trade. But right now what we're waiting for is for price to break this level down here. Then should it break it, then we're gonna focus on certain order blocks to the downside. Let's play price forward and see what's happening. So it's going down, boom. So it broke that structure, and we're waiting for price to reverse a bit so that we can pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool and see which order block does make sense for us to monitor actually and come and take a trade from, should we go to 15 minutes down time frame. All right, so let's play price forward and see if it will reverse to the upside. As we can very clearly see, this is a brilliant curve that we were looking to see. Then I'm gonna pull out my Fibonacci retracement tool. Here we have it, and we can see this is a 50% zone. Let me just denote it. This is a 50% zone. Then we want to see an order block that's above that 50% zone. So the first one that we see is this one up here. So this is the first order block that we see to the upside, and we are waiting to see if price will react from that order block. Then should it react, then we're gonna go down to 15-minute time frame. And another order block that we're looking at is this one here. So we're just gonna wait and see, or we just have to wait and see which one does play out. We do not know for sure which one will play out, but we just have to simply wait. So this is what's happening. We're gonna play price forward and let's see which order block is the price reacting to, if it ever reacts. So if it doesn't react, it's still fine, then meaning that we didn't take any trade on this pair. So let's play price forward. So as you can see, it's playing around. It's playing around, it's going to the upside, and it tapped into that order block and also violated it, right? So we can continue to play price forward and see what will happen. Okay, it indeed violated that order block. So let's wait and see. Okay, so this is where the price is at the moment. So meaning that price violated this order block, but what happened is it respected this order block. This is the order block that I forgot to note down, and let me just note it. Let me just mark it. And so you have to be thorough with your order blocks, and you have to be careful with all of them. So you have to look out for every order block that makes sense, that's above 50%. So let me just remove this one because it was violated. So I'm just gonna pull my replace bar tool here, and let me just explain what needs to be done when price tap into this order block. So it's going up, then it tapped into that order block. We switched down to 15 minutes time frame. All right, so we are currently on 15 minutes time frame. So firstly, what you need to look out for on 15 minutes time frame, you need to look out for the level that was broken before the price got into this 4-hour time frame order block. So this was the level that was broken to the upside. This was the level that was broken to the upside. Okay, and then this is the low before it got broken. All right, so let's play price forward and see if it will make sense or not. So what we need to look out for, we need to look out for price to come and change character here to the downside before we can consider taking a trade. So let's play price forward and see what will happen. So if we happen to have a new higher high, then we're gonna mark it as well. But right now price is still playing. It's still playing, so we're gonna see if it will violate that level or not. So we are waiting basically. So let's see. It's going down. Still going down, but it's consolidating a bit. It's now going up, down. So it's playing. It's now going up. Okay, so price now broke this structure to the upside. As you can see right now, this is what happened with price here. So it broke the structure to the upside, leaving this low here. So meaning that this was a low that caused about the change of the break of structure to the upside. So we're gonna now have to shift our focus to this level here. So let me just remove this one and this one as well. So this is the level that we are focused on. Should the price come and break this level as a change of character, then that's where we're going to look out to take our trade from. So let's keep on playing price forward and see what will happen going forward. So as you can see, price, oh, what did I do now? All right guys, as I was saying, price remove this high and it left this low. So we are shifting our focus now. We want to see this level being broken to the downside. So let's continue playing price forward and see. So you can very clearly see that price impulsively went down to change character here. So we're going to then actually there's no need for us to wait for price to go to the upside before we can put out our Fibonacci retracement tool, because this is the only order block that that actually was left when the price was going to the downside. So what I need us to pay attention on is price here right now, is this order block here. Let's pay attention to this, right? So here is the order block that we have here. This is the order block that was left when price was going to the downside to change character, right? So now let's look at what is happening. There is what we call a fair value gap, FVG. So that's what we're going to focus on before we can also focus on order blocks, because what I've come to realize is that most of the time price come and tap on the fair value gap and reverses. Then if you are waiting for price to come and trigger your order on the order block, sometimes it doesn't happen and then you will lose that trade. But most of the time it does go to fair value gap, then it turns to your direction. So this is what we're going to do right now. So if it doesn't turn at the fair value gap, then we're going to wait for it at the order block, then we're going to take that trade from there. But if, yeah, basically that's just it. So let's just look out for fair value gaps, because right now we were able to see this order block here. So then where is the fair value gap? The fair value gap that I can clearly see is the one that's sitting here. So this is where I'm going to take a trade from. So the trade will be taken from here. Then I will target this low here. Then I will keep on adjusting it should there be a new low, right? So our stop loss will be there and our take profit will be here, right? So let's play price forward and see what will happen from here. Okay, it's going up, down, it's going up, it's going up, it's consolidating, going up, and we are tapped into the trade. So as you can see, we are now in the trade. Let's see if we will be able to make it or not. So let's wait and see. Play price forward, let's see what's happening. So we are now in profit, we are still in profit, then it keeps on going down, we are in huge profit. Okay, let me just pause it and let me do it like this. Let me start it from here. Where's the fair value gap? Boom. So let's keep on playing it. So it's still in profit. We are still in profit. Let's keep playing it forward. In profit, we almost hit take profit there. So it's now retracing. And boom, we hit our full take profit. We hit our full take profit here. So guys, this is how you can follow price action patiently, and this is the fruits that you will be getting from following price action religiously. So if you apply patience and you do everything as per your trading plan, then everything will come into play. You just gotta be patient and it will unfold very nicely. As you can see, this is an easy trade that you could have taken and you could have made a whole lot of money from this trade alone. It has been your boy, guys, Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace. Okay guys, as promised, this is the video to show you, or rather to update you on what happened on the challenge of growing $10 to $1,000. So like I said, I lost all the money that I've made and also the money that I deposited. So this is the history of the account. Let me just go ahead and show you on my MetaTrader 4 what's happening there. So here we have it, and this is the account. As you can see, it's a live account. It's still the same account, guys. I wouldn't cheat. I wouldn't cheat, guys. So this is the balance that we currently at, and it's $0.00, meaning that we have lost on this account, and this is where the challenge is ending. Like I said in my previous videos, that the challenge is not over until it's at $0 or $1,000. So it's unfortunate that I had to end the challenge on $0. So this is where it's currently at, and there won't be any part 5 coming out, or episode 5 coming out of this challenge of growing $10 to $1,000. Rather, what will happen is starting from October, I think end of October or end of this month, I will put up a video where I will be turning $0 to I don't know what amount, but I will figure it out and I'll update you guys on that as well. So I will basically be turning $0 to whatever amount, meaning that I'm not going to deposit any money into my trading account, and I will show you that my account is at $0 when I'm starting the challenge. So the challenge won't be about Forex only, but I'll do everything online that I possibly can to make money, meaning that I'm going to make money online. Then once I have enough funds, then I will deposit that funds or those funds into my trading account, and I will start trading that money to whatever amount that I'm willing to take it to. At the same time, I'm not going to stop doing whatever I did in the beginning of making money online. I will still keep on grinding. Basically, I won't stop the grind. I'll just keep on doing each and every single thing while I'm trading on the other side, and on the other side I'm trying to make money online with different kind of methods of making money online. So the one that I'm going to start off with is doing surveys. So I will be completing surveys, which I have already started, by the way, completing surveys online with survey time. Then I will make whatever amount, then deposit it into my trading account and flip it to whatever amount. So right now I want to give you guys a rundown, or rather the history of this account where I started the challenge. So what happened, and okay, let me just say last month, maybe I will get it. All right, so this is where it began, right? I deposited, as you can see, I deposited $10 there. For those who have not watched the series, so you can just get everything from here, or you can just go and binge watch that series. Right, so I deposited on the 2nd of August $10 into my trading account using IC markets, by the way, because people keep on asking me what broker am I using, where else on the first episode it shows everything. Even when I'm depositing, it does show that this is IC market. And I also explained that for this challenge I will be using IC market. However, my other trading account is not with IC market. It's with another broker that I cannot mention at the moment because I'm not affiliated with them. So I deposited $10 on the 2nd of August 2023, right? Then I placed a trade on GBP JPY. I made $5, as you can see. I'm not going to break down each and every single trade that I took because this video is gonna be way too long. So this is what happened. So this is the history. We hit stop losses, we hit take profits. It kept on going up and down. So this is where it ends. This is where it ends, guys. So it ended very badly with Euro USD, but this is the most profit that I've made, $21.84 in a single trade, and I was so happy and proud of myself. But unfortunately we didn't make it on this challenge, meaning that the mission is failed. So I'm aborting this mission because I didn't meet the target of $1,000, and I am not ashamed at all, because I know that this is a game of chances. You can lose, you can win, right? But I've learned my mistakes, and I'll come back strong. Like I said, on the challenge, you will see each and every single thing, the challenge that is coming up, you will see each and every single thing happening transparently. And yeah, so this is it, guys, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. Cheers, buddies.